here are the 3 biggest insurance mistakes that you have to know before getting a life insurance. So before ka kumuha ng insurance, panoorin mo muna tong video na ito hanggang dulo to avoid these mistakes. So mistake number 1, insurance is not investment. Okay, investment are designed to make you wealthy. Whereas yung insurance is designed to make sure that you will not be poor. Anong ibig sabihin nito? If in case mag-stop yung income because of a disability or sickness or worse, maaga tayong mawala, insurance will make sure na ikaw at yung family mo ay hindi maghihirap. Mistake number 2, most of the Pinoy is getting insurance for the sake of getting insurance. So they're just getting insurance na okay na sa kanila yung 300,000, 500,000 or 1 million without checking kung enough ba yung nakuha nila. Okay, so rule of thumb, when getting a life insurance, always make sure na it should be equivalent to 10 times of your monthly net income. Okay? So kung meron kang 10,000 na monthly net income, you should have 1.2 life insurance coverage. So bakit ba 10 years? Kasi ang family na naiwan ng breadwinner may 10 taon yan to recover financially. So by having a insurance that is 10